Hi, welcome back to PARC Parent Pointers video blog. This is Bree. Hopefully you checked out my video from last week that emphasized post-operative instructions for surgery. That included Tylenol, Motrin, tons of good details. Go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. This video coincides with that. It's all about pre-operative instructions in regards to feeding before surgery. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'd like to start by emphasizing this is probably one of the biggest reasons, if not the biggest reason, we have to reschedule or cancel surgery. So these helpful tips will be really awesome and kind of giving you an idea of what to expect for surgery. So if your kiddo is breastfed, he can feed up until 4 hours before surgery. So if we give you a check-in time of 9:30 with a tentative surgery start time of 11, that feeding has to end by 7 a.m. So I want to emphasize you cannot start the feeding at 7 a.m., but it has to end at 7 a.m. For our kiddos that are formula fed, it curdles a little bit more in the stomach, so that is 6 hours prior to surgery. So his last feeding will have to end at 5 a.m. I know that can sound super stressful because you're not sure if he's going to be a little hungry or fussy, but 2 hours before surgery, you can go ahead and give clear liquids. That is water, Pedialyte, apple juice, anything that's pretty transparent that you can see through. And if you have any questions in that regard, give us a call or speak to your pediatrician on what they recommend as a good clear liquid. That way you'll have some more information. And kids do surprisingly well. Typically it's a little bit more stressful for the parents than it is the child. Distractions, the clear liquids, that will definitely help. That way he's not too fussy with surgery. But these are very, very important. Our anesthesiologist, someone from that team, will go ahead and give you a call the evening before surgery to emphasize and confirm surgery feeding times. But definitely call our office. Let us know if you have any questions or if you would like us to kind of let you know of when the last feeding time will be. There's no such thing as a dumb question when it comes to the anesthesia. It's super safe, or it's super important that we keep your child safe and have a super empty tummy. That's really the best thing, is basically to make sure that your kiddo's safe. So any questions, give me a call, send me an email. I'm more than happy to answer that for you. And can't wait to see you next week for the next video.